Hi guys, in this video I'm showing you chickens that I'm rearing. So here are those small ones. They are just over a week and this is their chicken pen. Here are the little ones. Here is the water can that they would normally use water to drink from. They are about 50. And that's the feed tray. The feed that I'm using at the moment is the starter feed. This pen is suspended off the ground, and the flooring that is used is wooden, and there is some like carpet. However, that is wood shaving, as you can see there. That's the wood shaving, and every 2 days it would have to be changed because of the chickens droplets, and when they drink the water, sometimes the water would spill, and this would come wet and smelly. So after 2 to 3 days, this carpet of shaving would have to be replaced with new stuff. Here are the older ones. They are 4 weeks and they are of 100 count. So that's the water can there, and we have one drinking some water, and that's the feed tray or the feed can, and the feed that I'm using is the grower feed. Because they're older, they are using a different feed, and that feed is grower. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment so I can know your point of view, and share with someone. Let's grow this channel and take Guyana to the world. Thank you.